welcome back to my channel. So finally we are traveling after a very long time, and we really needed a break after spending almost the entire year at home. So this time we decided to pack our bags and head to one of the most beautiful places in India. So welcome to Fagu. So it took us approximately 11 hours to drive from Delhi to Fagu, and the roads up to Shimla were pretty decent, but beyond Shimla the roads become a little tricky, so you have to make sure that you're comfortable with mountain driving, or you have someone with you who is comfortable with mountain driving. So first day it was all about chilling and relaxing. So we explored the surroundings around our homestay and we enjoyed the hospitality.
We're sipping on sunshine. We wanna taste all this world has to offer.
The food here is amazing. We fell in love with the food. It's homemade. Sharma ji and his wife cooked themselves, so it was amazing. And they have homemade curd, butter, and pure milk because they have their own cows.
सबसे पहले आपके इसके मसाले बनेंगे जी।
अच्छा।
तिल बनेगा, तिल जो होता है मार्केट
हाँ,
में, और ड्राई फ्रूट आप इसमें डाल सकते हैं। तो बाकी अपने स्वाद अनुसार नमक है, मिर्च है और गरम
अच्छा,
मसाले।
इसके अंदर ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी है?
बिल्कुल।
अच्छा।
बिल्कुल, वो बिल्कुल मैश करके।
इसको बोलते हैं सिड्डू।
सिड्डू।
अच्छा।
ये तो आपके गूगल पे भी आप सर्च
हाँ,
करोगे,
हाँ,
गूगल पे आएगा।
हाँ।
तो उसमें काफ़ी सारी वो चीज़ें ऐड करके उसका स्टफ बना के फिर एक आटे का गूंद के जी
हाँ।
लस्सी से गूंदते हैं हम लोग।
अच्छा।
लस्सी से गूंदते हैं तब ये मतलब थोड़ा इसका टेस्ट और
काफी हेल्दी सा है
बाकी
वैसे ये
आप
तो।
पानी से भी बना सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है,
हाँ।
मगर फ्लेवर में चेंज हो जाएगा।
अच्छा।
वो फ्लेवर नहीं रहेगा आपका। लस्सी से गूंद के फ्लेवर अच्छा बनता है इसका जी, और थोड़ा सा मतलब ये फूलना स्टार्ट होता है
हाँ,
लस्सी की वजह से।
हाँ।
कई ईस्ट डालते हैं तो ईस्ट हम नहीं डालते,
हाँ।
इसके बदले हम लस्सी डालते हैं। वो आटे को आप एक दिन मतलब जैसे कल बनाना है हमें, तो पहले दिन बना के रखना पड़ेगा, तब
अच्छा।
आपका काफ़ी मतलब वो बन जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तो बाकी
और
तो
इसको दही और घी के साथ खाते हैं?
दही, घी, चाय,
अच्छा।
दूध,
अच्छा।
4-5 ऑप्शन है जिससे आप इसको ले सकते हैं। कई लोग भांग भी डालते हैं इसमें, हमारे भांग
क्या
के
भांग?
दाने होते हैं, दाने।
अच्छा।
भांग के दाने। कई लोग स्पेशल डिमांड पे वो भी बनता है।
अरे वाह। The next day we made our trip to Shimla. We wanted to do a day trip there, and it's approximately a 45-minute drive from Fagu to Shimla. However, it did take us more than that because there were certain detours that we had to take because we were being diverted by the police over there. And in Shimla we explored some of the best places like the Mall Road, and we went to one of the best cafes there, which is known as Shimla Times. The view there is amazing and the food is great as well.
We wanna taste all this world has to offer. When we run out of wine, we'll be sipping on sunshine. Sipping on sunshine. We're sipping on sunshine. We're just sipping on sunshine.
We also tried some new fruits. One of them is called persimmon, which was amazing. कौन सा फ्रूट है ये?
परसिमन।
परसिमन मैंगो।
यस, परसिमन ऐसा, इसका नाम मैंगो तो इसलिए बोलते हैं कि हाँ मैंगो जैसा है, आप समझो ऑरेंज जैसा तो नहीं है, सेम मतलब ये बात होती है इसमें।
अच्छा अच्छा।
ये सिर्फ एक शॉर्टकट में समझाना होता है, जैसे कि अब आप सोचो ऑरेंज तो नहीं है, खट्टा तो नहीं है।
So we explored the Mall Road and this area which is called the Ridge. Then we also went for a short but steep trek to this temple called Jakhu Temple, which is like an upward trek of about 2.5 kilometers from the ridge. It has a great view and a huge statue of Bajrang Bali. And I wouldn't say the trek was easy, it was quite steep, but if you make it, it's amazing. So the market in Shimla is really nice as well, and we did pick up some local wines to sample on our way back. And I wouldn't say they were amazing. They weren't that great, but we just wanted to try out some local stuff, so we just picked them up. The day after, we went to Narkanda, which is about 1.5 hour drive from where we are staying in Fagu, and they have some snow sports over there. So they have skiing, they have tubing or tube sliding, I don't know what it's called, and they have zip lining. So we went for tubing and we went for skiing. We didn't go for zip lining because it didn't really look interesting, but skiing and tubing were so much fun. So if you're here, you should definitely try this out. When you're in Narkanda, make sure that you have boots that are suitable for walking on snow, because it's quite slippery over there and it might get a little scary. They do have little shops over there where you can rent shoes which are suitable for those kind of roads, which we did rent, and thankfully it helped a lot, because if you wear your own shoes or boots, first of all, it might be very difficult to walk in them, and secondly, the area where you have all these snow sports is quite dirty with a lot of mud and all. So if you don't want your shoes to get dirty, then you should definitely rent shoes. पहाड़ों में चाय पीने का कुछ अलग ही मजा होता है.
क्रॉस करनी है, क्रॉस में. ओके.
There's nothing like the real thing, running circles round your heartstrings. Can't believe.
So after we were done with skiing and tubing, we came back to our homestay, and the next day we again relaxed the entire day because we were very tired.
He don't notice that I'm broken.
I love the hospitality here as well. Sharma ji is very, very sweet, and the food here is so good. We didn't really go out anywhere else to have our meals, and we had most of our meals over here. I had one of the best teas and one of the best kadas over here, and I even got the recipe from Sharma ji, so it was amazing. And I have a tea blog on Instagram. If you're not following it yet, I'll leave the details in the description box below, so do check it out. I'm going to share the recipes of the tea and the kada over there as well.
And you know, if you're more adventurous than us, or if you have more time on your hands, one thing you can always do is explore some other areas nearby which we didn't go to, but which are supposed to be quite good. So one is the town of Chail, which has India's highest cricket ground, and it also has a palace, so you can always explore that. There is also a location near, not near, but about say 50-60 odd kilometers from here, called Tattapani, which has natural hot springs, so you can always go and check that out as well.
So this was actually my first experience in snow. I had never seen snow like this before, and it's around 8:30 a.m. in the morning right now, and we are actually leaving, and we're very sad because we had such a great time over here. But this was such a great trip, and I'm so happy, and I feel so blessed that I could do a vacation like this with my family in such times. and we're still safe, thankfully. So yeah, overall it was an amazing trip, and I am going to just miss this view. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but I love this.